Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be looking at how to create a function that will copy your text or your data, any data, to your clipboard. So yeah, I just have my stateless widget, a center and a column. Let's get started. So here we have a children, and inside the children I also need a row. We'll see what that is for soon. So here I have my text, which is, and now I don't want to add code my text inside there, so I'll create a string here, string data, and I'll call it copy me. Okay, and then we have an icon button here, icon button, and this icon will be icons dot copy. Now I'll be leaving the icon, the unpressed function, empty for now, but down here we'll create, outside of our row, inside the main column, we'll create a text field. And now, since we are not focusing on the text field here, I'll just leave the text field unstyled like this. Oh, come on. All right, so let me just put everything in the center. Axis alignment, the center, and cross axis alignment for this one in the center. Alright, so now we have this. Now, how to create the copy to clipboard? First, you import the Flutter services, and inside the, now since we imported the Flutter service, we have the clipboard function, clipboard dot set data, and now we have clipboard data here. So in the clipboard data, we can only have text, and our text, the text which we want to copy, will be equals to data, which we define up there. Now if I save this and press the copy function now, and I come here, you can see it's already up here, copy me. Also, if I check my clipboard, you can see copy me, and this was the first one I copied, the hello. So yeah, it's just it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Also, you can put down any type of video you want me to make next, and I'll surely do that. Bye for now.